Most people think reaching 300,000 miles is down to luck, but it almost never is. The Nissans that quietly pile on the miles belong to owners who understand a handful of simple habits, while the ones that die early usually belong to someone who ignored them. So today I am walking you through 12 secrets that separate the Nissans cruising past 300,000 miles from the ones stuck in a workshop, and number 1 is the single most important of them all. Let us get into it. Number 12. The first and most fundamental secret is to change your oil more often than the owner's manual tells you to, because that book is written for perfect conditions that almost nobody actually drives in. Short trips, stop-start traffic, hot summers, cold winters, and hard acceleration all count as severe service, and that describes how most of us really use our cars. Clean oil is the single cheapest form of insurance your engine has. Carrying away heat and grime and keeping every moving part protected and old tired oil is where a huge number of expensive engine failures quietly begin. Rather than stretching to the longest interval the manual allows, treat the shorter, severe service interval as your normal, and your Nissan's engine will thank you with tens of thousands of extra trouble-free miles. It costs very little in the grand scheme of things, especially compared to the price of a rebuilt engine, and it is the habit that underpins everything else on this list. The owners who reach the really big numbers almost always share this one trait: they change their oil early and never skip it. Do that religiously and you have already won half the battle for longevity. It also gives you a regular chance to spot trouble early, because whoever is under the car for the oil change will often notice a weeping seal, a worn belt, or a leak long before it turns into a breakdown. Think of every oil change as a small, cheap health check for the whole car as well as fresh protection for the engine. But fresh oil only helps if you are using the right kind. Number 11. The second secret is to use exactly the right oil specification and a genuinely good filter, because not all oil and not all filters are created equal. Nissan specifies a particular grade and standard of oil for each engine for a very good reason, since the tolerances, the oil passages, and the way the engine sheds heat were all designed around it, and pouring in the wrong viscosity to save a few dollars quietly works against the engineering. The same goes for the filter, because a cheap, poorly made one can restrict flow or fail to trap the fine particles that grind an engine down over time, so a quality filter is never the place to cut corners. Stick to the correct specification, choose a reputable oil and a well-made filter, and you keep the engine running exactly as its designers intended for the long haul. It is a small detail that owners chasing the lowest possible price often get wrong, and it quietly shortens the life of the engine they were trying to save money on. Get it right every single time, and you protect the heart of the car for hundreds of thousands of miles. It is worth keeping a note of exactly which oil and filter your engine takes, so there's never any confusion at the counter or any temptation to accept whatever the shop happens to have on the shelf. Buying quality here is not about spending the most money, it is about matching the engineering, and that small discipline pays back many times over across the life of the engine. What comes next is the one system Nissan owners neglect the most. Number 10. The third secret is to take the cooling system deadly seriously, because heat is the silent killer of both engines and transmissions. Coolant does not last forever, and as it ages, it loses its ability to protect against corrosion and to move heat away efficiently, which slowly cooks the very parts it is supposed to guard. Flushing and replacing the coolant on schedule, keeping the radiator and its cooling fins clean, and fixing even the smallest leak the moment you spot it are all cheap jobs that prevent catastrophically expensive ones. A tired cooling system leads to overheating, and overheating is exactly how you warp a cylinder head or destroy a transmission in an afternoon. On a Nissan in particular, keeping everything running cool matters enormously because the driveline is far happier and far longer lived when temperatures stay under control. So you watch the temperature gauge, you never ignore a coolant smell or a low-level warning, and you keep the whole system fresh and leak-free. Look after the cooling system and you remove one of the biggest single causes of major failure from the equation entirely. It is also worth checking the hoses and the water pump area from time to time, because a hose that has gone hard and brittle or a pump beginning to weep gives plenty of warning before it fails completely if you simply take a moment to look. Replacing a cheap hose on your own schedule is a world away from being stranded on the roadside with a cooked engine, and it costs a tiny fraction of the price. Up next, a habit that protects the engine every time you start it. Number 9. The fourth secret is to warm the car up gently and drive smoothly, especially in the first few minutes of every journey, because cold starts are when the most engine wear happens. When you first fire up the engine, the oil is thick and has drained down overnight, so it takes a little time to circulate and properly protect everything, and thrashing a cold engine before that happens grinds away at parts that should last the life of the car. You do not need to sit idling for 10 minutes. In fact, that does little good. You simply drive away gently and keep the revs sensible until the temperature needle has climbed to normal. The same smoothness pays off everywhere, because gentle acceleration, easing off before you brake, and avoiding constant hard launches all reduce the stress on the engine, the transmission, and the driveline. It is not about driving slowly. It is about driving mechanically sympathetically, letting the car warm and work the way it was designed to. Owners who treat those first cold minutes with respect routinely see their engines last far longer than those who floor it the second it starts. Treat every cold start gently, and you quietly bank thousands of extra miles. The same care matters at the end of a hard run too, because giving a hot engine a minute of gentle driving before you switch it off lets temperatures settle rather than heat-soaking sensitive parts. None of this asks anything of you except a little patience and awareness, and yet it is one of the clearest dividing lines between engines that last and engines that do not. What comes next keeps the engine breathing properly. Number 8. The fifth secret is to stay ahead of the engine's breathing and ignition parts, the spark plugs, the air filter, and the throttle body, because a well-fed, cleanly sparking engine is a long-lived one. Spark plugs wear over time and make the engine work harder to run smoothly. A clogged air filter chokes it and hurts both economy and performance, and a dirty throttle body can cause rough idling and hesitation, all of which put unnecessary strain on the engine over the long term. Replacing the plugs at the recommended interval, swapping the air filter before it turns black and clogged, and giving the throttle body an occasional clean are simple, inexpensive jobs that keep everything running crisply. On many Nissan engines, these are straightforward tasks that a careful owner can even tackle at home with basic tools. Keeping these parts fresh means the engine is never fighting itself just to run, which keeps combustion clean, temperature sensible, and wear to a minimum. It is the kind of routine attention that never feels urgent, which is exactly why so many people let it slide until problems appear. Stay ahead of it and your engine keeps running as sweetly at high mileage as it did when it was new. These jobs also give you a useful window into the engine's health, because worn plugs and a filthy filter often tell a story about how the car has been running, letting you catch a developing issue early. Keeping a small stock of the correct plugs and filters means you are never tempted to stretch the interval just because it is inconvenient. Up next, a fluid nearly everyone forgets. Number 7. The sixth secret is to flush the brake fluid and properly service the brakes, because good brakes are about far more than just stopping safely. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air over time, and that water lowers its boiling point and quietly corrodes expensive components from the inside, which leads to seized calipers, spongy pedals, and premature failure of parts that should last for years. Flushing the fluid on schedule is a cheap job that protects the entire braking system, and keeping the calipers, slides, and pads clean and moving freely stops uneven wear that can damage discs and wheel bearings. Well-maintained brakes also mean the whole car works less hard, because a dragging caliper creates heat and drag that wears tires and hurts economy without you even realizing. On a heavy, high-mileage car, brakes that are looked after are one of those quiet foundations of long-term reliability. So you change the fluid on time, you service the hardware, and you never ignore a squeal, a shudder, or a pull to one side. Keep the braking system healthy, and you protect both your safety and a whole chain of expensive parts around it. In wetter or coastal climates, this matters even more, because moisture and salt attack brake components aggressively, and a caliper that has been left to seize can ruin a disc and overheat a wheel bearing in short order. A little attention here keeps the whole corner of the car healthy, not just the pads, and it keeps the car stopping the way a heavy, fast machine needs to. Now, before we get into the top 6, a quick favor. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Number 6. The 7th secret is to stay on top of your tires, your alignment, and your wheel balance, because these quietly affect far more than just ride comfort. Tires that are underinflated, worn unevenly, or out of alignment create extra drag and stress that feeds straight back into the suspension, the wheel bearings, and the driveline, wearing out components long before their time. Rotating the tires regularly spreads the wear evenly and makes them last far longer. Keeping the correct pressures reduces strain and improves economy, and getting the alignment checked whenever you fit new tires or feel the car pulling protects everything downstream. A car that is running true and properly balanced puts far less stress on itself mile after mile, which is exactly what you want when you are chasing really big numbers. It is easy to think of tires as a simple consumable, but treating them and the alignment as part of your maintenance routine protects a whole chain of expensive parts. Keep everything rolling straight, balanced, and correctly inflated, and the entire car ages more slowly. It is also one of the easiest habits to build, because a quick pressure check every couple of weeks and a rotation at every oil change costs almost nothing and takes only minutes. Uneven wear is often the first visible clue that something else is going wrong, a tired suspension component or a slipping alignment. So paying attention to how your tires wear effectively gives you an early warning system for the whole chassis. Catch those clues and you fix a small problem instead of replacing a set of expensive parts. What comes next lives deep in the driveline where few owners ever look. Number 5. The 8th secret is to service the fluids that everyone forgets: the differential, the transfer case, and any other driveline fluids your particular Nissan has, because these do critical work in silence. While everyone remembers engine oil, the gear oil in the differentials, and, on four-wheel drive models, the transfer case quietly protects heavily loaded gears that are extremely expensive to replace if they fail. This fluid breaks down over time, just like any other, and because these components rarely complain until they are in serious trouble, they are very easy to neglect completely for the entire life of the car. Changing these fluids at sensible intervals is a cheap, straightforward job that keeps the driveline healthy and quiet, and it is especially important on trucks, SUVs, and all-wheel drive models that see towing or rough use. The owners who reach the highest mileages tend to be the ones who treat every fluid in the car as important, not just the obvious one under the oil cap. So find out exactly what your model has and put those forgotten fluids on your schedule. Look after the whole driveline and you avoid some of the most expensive surprises a high-mileage car can throw at you. Because these fluids are so easy to forget, simply writing them onto your maintenance schedule at the start is half the battle, since once they are on the list, they get done. A car that has had every fluid changed on time, not just the engine oil, feels tighter and quieter for far longer, and it is far less likely to spring a costly, out-of-nowhere failure. Up next, the mindset that saves you the most money of all. Number 4. The 9th secret is to fix small problems the moment they appear, because on the road to 300,000 miles, nothing stays small if you ignore it. That faint new noise, the small leak on the driveway, the warning light you have been meaning to look at, every one of them is the car trying to tell you something while the fix is still cheap. Left alone, a minor oil leak starves a part. A small coolant weep becomes an overheat. A worn bushing destroys a tire, and a cheap sensor failure leaves you stranded, each one growing into exactly the kind of major repair this video is about avoiding. The owners who reach the big numbers are the ones who treat their car as a system, chasing down the little issues while they are still little and never letting a problem compound. It takes discipline and a bit of curiosity, but catching things early is by far the cheapest way to own a car for the long haul. So listen to your Nissan. Watch for the small changes and act on them promptly instead of hoping they go away. Stay ahead of the little things, and the big, wallet-emptying failures simply never get the chance to happen. It helps to get genuinely familiar with how your car normally sounds, feels, and smells, because once you know its baseline, anything new stands out immediately and you can investigate while it is still cheap. That instinct, built up over time, is one of the most valuable tools a long-term owner has. What comes next protects the very body of the car. Number 3. The 10th secret is to fight rust before it ever takes hold, because the ugly truth is that a well-maintained Nissan drivetrain can easily outlast the body that surrounds it if you let corrosion win. Rust is relentless, and it starts in the places you cannot see, under the car, inside the wheel arches, and along the seams and pinch welds, quietly eating away at the structure while the engine still runs perfectly. The secret is to wash the underbody regularly, especially through winter and anywhere roads are salted, to keep drains and cavities clear, and to treat any small spot of surface rust the instant you find it rather than waiting for it to bubble and spread. A cheap underbody wash and a little vigilance cost almost nothing, yet they can be the difference between a car that lasts decades and one that rots out from underneath while the engine is still strong. It is the least glamorous job on this entire list, which is exactly why so few people bother, and exactly why so many otherwise healthy cars are lost early. Protect the body and the structure, and you make sure the car is still worth keeping when the engine sails past the big milestone. It is genuinely heartbreaking how many mechanically sound cars are scrapped simply because the shell rotted out underneath them, a fate that a few cheap underbody washes each winter could have prevented entirely. A sound, rust-free body also keeps everything bolted to it working properly, from the suspension mounts to the exhaust, so protecting the structure protects far more than just the way the car looks. Up next, the routine that ties everything together. Number 2. The 11th secret is to follow a strict, proactive maintenance schedule and keep detailed records of everything you do, because consistency is the real engine behind long-term reliability. Every single tip on this list only works if it is done regularly and on time. And the easiest way to guarantee that is to stop reacting to problems and start following a plan, servicing each system before it has a chance to fail rather than after. Keeping a simple log of what was done and when turns vague guesswork into certainty, so you always know exactly when each fluid, filter, and component is next due, and nothing slips through the cracks for years unnoticed. That same record is also worth real money later, because a fully documented history proves the car has been cared for and reassures anyone you eventually sell it to. The owners who reach 300,000 miles almost never do it by accident. They do it by treating maintenance as a disciplined routine rather than an occasional chore. So build a schedule around your specific model, write down everything, and stick to it without fail. Follow the plan faithfully and longevity stops being luck and becomes something you simply engineer into the car. The beauty of a written schedule is that it removes the guesswork and the willpower from the equation entirely, because you are no longer trying to remember what is due, you are simply following the list. That small shift from reacting to planning is quietly the difference between the owners who reach the big numbers and the ones who are surprised by a failure they could have seen coming. And that leaves the single most important secret of them all. Number 1. The most important secret of all is to treat your transmission as the heart of the car's survival. Because with a Nissan, this is the one system that decides, more than any other, whether you ever see 300,000 miles. If your Nissan has the continuously variable transmission, the CVT, this is absolutely critical, because that gearbox is sensitive to heat and to old, degraded fluid, and it is the single most common reason these cars are written off long before the engine is tired. The secret, and it is the biggest one on this whole list, is to completely ignore any claim that the fluid is filled for life, because in the real world, these transmissions live far, far longer when the fluid is changed regularly and kept fresh and cool. Change it on a sensible schedule rather than the optimistic one in the book. Keep the transmission cool by looking after its cooling and considering an auxiliary cooler if you tow or live somewhere hot, and drive smoothly to avoid overheating it. If instead you have one of the conventional automatics or a manual, the same principle applies. Service the fluid on time and never let it cook. Do this one thing faithfully and you remove the single greatest threat to your Nissan's life. Protect the transmission above all else, and everything else you have done finally adds up to a car that genuinely goes the distance. Get this one wrong, and even the best maintained engine in the world will not save you, but get it right and you have removed the single biggest reason these cars are lost early. It really is the difference between a Nissan that quietly reaches the big milestone and one that never comes close. The transmission takes number 1, and it earned every single inch of that spot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.